Hi guys, so for today I'm gonna show you how to get beachy waves using a GHD straightener. So before I start, I'm just gonna spray some of this heat defense spray over my hair, just to prevent a little bit of damage caused by straighteners or curling irons, whatever. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create waves. So you're just gonna hold your straightener like you would if you were gonna straighten your hair, and then you're gonna just twist it a little bit so it's facing downwards. You drag it a little bit up, and then you're gonna face it upwards and drag it down, turn it back around, drag down, back up, drag down, back down, drag down, and then the last little part I just usually go straight. It's really difficult to explain in words what I'm doing, so hopefully you guys can just kind of see what I'm doing. So turn it down, drag, turn it up, drag, turn it down, drag, turn it up, drag, turn it down, drag, and then the last piece I just go straight. Okay, so I'm just gonna explain on this side again. So you just place your straightener like you would if you were gonna straighten it, and then instead of just going straight, you just turn your straightener a little bit down, pull, turn it up, pull, turn it down, pull, turn it up, pull, and then the last piece I just usually go straight. Turn it down, pull, turn it up, pull, turn it down, pull, turn it up, pull, turn it down, pull, and then just straight. So before we go on to the next section, I'm just gonna add a little bit of hairspray just so that they don't fall out. So your piece that you're taking shouldn't be too thick, because if it's too thick, then your kink's not gonna be kinky enough. That sounds weird. And also it'll fall out much quicker.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can.
And then I'm gonna take some of this Clicks Hair Rescue Split End Repair Serum, and I'm just gonna work that through the tips, and then whatever's left on my hands I'm just gonna work through the roots just to smoothen out any like frizzy parts. And it's also just it kind of like separates the curls and just gives a little bit more definition to your waves. So you can either wear it just like this, like middle part like I said, or if you want to do more of a side part, then you can just kind of flip your hair to whichever side you want to wear it. And as you can see, it gives that big wavy frizzy mermaid kind of look. So you can do this side. So that's my beachy wavy mermaid hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye.